If it is your spouse, not you, who is making an expensive and nasty divorce trial necessary, keep in mind that you don't have to get nasty yourself. You still can, and should, take the high road. This begins with your choice of a lawyer. Try to find a lawyer who will do everything possible to resolve the case before it gets to a trial and will respect your desire to spare your family a bitter fight. Here are 8 tips to follow. The first tip. Don't go around asking your friends for the most cutthroat, litigation-happy, no-holds-barred divorce attorney they've ever heard of. The second tip. Look for a lawyer who will represent your interests, whether that means fighting it out in court or making sure you get into mediation. The third tip. Don't hire a lawyer who badmouths your spouse even before their first meeting. The fourth tip. Ask your divorced friends and family whether they liked their attorneys, and find out why. The fifth tip. Don't choose a lawyer who tells you that you can get whatever you want out of your spouse if you just fight hard enough. The sixth tip. Meet with more than one lawyer to get a sense of what personal style works for you. The seventh tip. Don't rely on a lawyer's statements that your spouse will have to pay all of your attorney's fees, so it doesn't matter if you litigate like crazy. You might get your fees back, but then again, you might not. The eighth tip. Find a lawyer who will treat both you and your spouse with respect and who considers the welfare of your kids the top priority. The question now is, where to look for a lawyer? There are a lot of places to go looking for a lawyer. The best one, though, always is a recommendation from someone who knows the lawyer and the lawyers work in cases like yours. If you've ever used a lawyer for any other type of case or services, ask that lawyer for a referral to a divorce lawyer or for help checking out the reputation of lawyers whose names you get from others. If you have a marriage counselor or individual therapist, ask for referrals. Ask family members, friends, and acquaintances. If the same name pops up more than once, pay attention but don't choose your lawyer just on that basis. Read our full guide on how to find the right lawyer for your divorce case on yourkidsdivorce.com, and thank you for watching.